Kaskulba National Institute of Technology kabadon ha site so open sora ha kalai phau tarik banai risau arjar arpusan kala Pyndep ia kejingelang sam certificate cebaro ki Samla ki bela Pyndep ia Jingpule jengki ha ki kerdan bepher bakenthep ia shispa san phau ngut ha ka bitek lai punri ngut ki bela Pyndep ia MSc arpusau ngut ki bela Pyndep ia MTech bat lai punyo ngut ki bela Pyndep ia PhD. Hakani ke sengi jong ke convocation ke bakhat ar jong ke NIT Meghalaya, Chairman Barim jong ke Indian Oil Corporation, Ushrikan Madhav Vaidya, Ulalong Ukongsan, katba founder director jong ke NIT Guwahati Professor Dhirendra Nath Burau Gohen kumusumbot Kongsan, ringkat ke jingedon lang Chairman jong ke Board of Governing Body Usunil Alak, but director jong ke NIT Meghalaya Professor Pinakeswar Mynta. Hakani ke convocation arspa san phongut ki Samla ki bela Pyndep ki Jingpule ha ki subject bapher ke lo yo petiang ni ki certificate na kini ki kendram ki lendan bakenthep ki shispa san phulai ngut ki bela Pyndep ki bitek lai pun ngut ha ki MSc arfusau ngut ha ki MTech bat lai pun ngut ki bela Pyndep PhD bat na kini baro shiphau ngut ki bela yo petiang ni ki silver medal lai ngut ki bela yo ki gold medal kat ba ka Parthiv Das kala yo petiang ya ka president gold medal bat ka Shubhavi Kukreja kalayo ek chairperson's gold medal.
Awarded Bachelor of Technology degree in Computer Science and Engineering.
Let's stop chasing speed and scale. Let's start chasing substance. That is most important thing. Then one more important fact that I want to tell you among the 10 leadership lessons that I can share is be reliable, not just brilliant. Reliability is a factor that is so important. In fact, being reliable is an emotion that is more stronger than love. You may love somebody, but you may not rely on that person. So I think reliability comes number one in our life. After that is coming lead in crisis, not in comfort. Then excellence is often invisible. I mean, you have to do excellent job day in and day out. Nobody's going to watch you, keep watching you. You have to still do the job excellently, and finally that is what you will get the proofs in the end. Nobody's going to deny you what you really deserve. Then relearn relentlessly. Most important factor in life. I've seen most of the graduates, when they join Indian Oil also, they're all studying very hard up to the 4th year. The moment they join an organization, the moment they join service, I think the learning stops. That's not right. You have to go on learning, relearning relentlessly. And most important thing is, respect is the oxygen of teams. You have to create respect for yourself and for your team. And then be the spine of the organization, not just the face. Most of us, they want to be the face of the organization. Finally, the spine of the organization matters. And as I told you, you will stumble. You will stumble in life, but then the plans will collapse, confidence will waver, rejections will be there, delays will be there, detours will be there, but there is no such thing as failure. Stumbling is not failure. You will have a lot of stumbling in your life, but don't take it as a failure. It only means it's a nudge for you to take a different direction. I think it's a nudge from the Almighty that take a different direction when you stumble. And I think you will go on taking new directions. Your career will go on blossoming and becoming better. I think before I close, I just want to give you an example of a bamboo tree. Have you seen a bamboo tree, anybody? When you plant a bamboo tree, for the first 5 years, nothing happens on the surface. Some small shoots for 5 years. And then after 6 weeks from that 5 years, the tree grows 90 feet. 90 feet in 6 weeks. Why? Because it was busy growing the roots. So that is what NIT Meghalaya has done for you. The roots are there now. The foundation is there. Now it is for you to blossom. And like the bamboo tree, you will grow. Grow relentlessly. And that is what finally matters. To have a very strong foundation, and then you will build and you will prosper. There is one very famous thing I always end my speeches. You have all heard of boiling point of water. The boiling point of water is how much? 100 degrees centigrade. Till 99 degrees centigrade, water is water. It's hot water. 1 extra degree, water becomes steam. And steam can drive locomotives. So what I mean is that 1 extra effort, 1 extra push, you should always give. That will change your life finally. Don't be satisfied with being hot. You should boil and give your best. Convert yourself to steam and the world is yours.
It was a very wonderful experience to be in Meghalaya, especially so far. And I am very delighted with the infrastructure that has come up. It's a very, very imposing infrastructure, and I think it is still getting completed. But whatever I have seen today, I am very, very impressed. And I think this institute has a very bright future because it will cater to all the students of the Northeast also at the same time, as well as other parts of the country. And from what I got to know from the director, I think the number of seats are likely to double in the coming few years. Now it is about 160, it is likely to go to 300 plus. So I think that's very, very good, and I am very happy the way the institute is being conducted. In fact, Mr. Mynta, director, is my classmate. He is my batchmate from NIT Rourkela of 1985 batch. So we share a deep bond, and I am very happy to be here, and I wish this institute a great success. The way it has come up, the way it is coming up, I saw the students full of energy. They are all boiling with pride for the institute, and I am sure they will all do well in the years to come. And since India is a very large growing economy, $5 trillion economy, the opportunities are immense. And I am sure the graduates of NIT Meghalaya will make a big difference. Thank you, and I am very happy to be here once again. Jai Hind.
See, my job of technology is zero. My job is to increase the employment from here and also take the average of the income that people get when they pass out. 85% of BTechs look for jobs and 15% go on to do PhD or MSc whenever they want to do it. But 85% of BTech people will look for jobs. And my job is to get them jobs. I brought in the ever-ready Somai Saha last year in the convocation. And HR head has taken 1 or 2 students he's taken from BTech. So therefore my job is to increase the salary.
Actually, as far as NIT Meghalaya is concerned here, I have been associated with it since 2012 when the site was selected, and then the initial plans of the master plan of the campus and the buildings and designs. I was there because of my experience at IIT Guwahati, and I was the founder director there. So I had to set up there. Similar experiences here where Dr. Dilip Sarkar was the director here at that time. So the selection of the architect and the project management consultant, all that I was involved. Somehow in between from 2017 to I think about 2 years back, the work did not progress much here. But again, after Professor Mynta has taken over, the work has restarted with quite a lot of vigor. And I am very happy that things have happened and they have been able to move into the campus, because I think it is very important to somehow get a toll in the permanent campus to make real progress and to get that feeling of belonging to the place and to the institute, both for students and faculty.